Deputy Commissioner of Thoubal District Ahanthem Subhash said that Thoubal District Administration has provided assistance to 960 individuals of 237 families affected by hailstorm. A total of 12 relief camps have also been opened for those affected by natural disaster in the district. In a press meet held at DC office, Subhash maintained that the DC office has received numerous reports of damage caused by massive hailstorm on May 5th. He further stated that according to reports received by the district administration, altogether 808 houses were damaged. Citing that 962 individuals of 237 families are taking shelter at 12 relief camps, he expressed that more reports about the extent of destruction may be forthcoming. He further informed all the affected families to submit photos and videos of the damaged properties to their respective SDC or SDO office or to the office of DC Thoubal.
Handaki len tabasida soklaba imung sing isa isagi soibadugi application ama koi district administration DC office tabu bigera SDO office tabu bigera SDC office paubuda ayeng tang nipan paubugi manungda thajan biu haibasima ai thamjage asok apan nanglaba mayam dugi report thajan biu ekhogi staff lakpa laktaba ngaidana aiginoda masigi verification lokhala matungda government site tagi immediate relief sinataba koi CGI sit kumba yennabagi ekhogi khongthang lokhatpa hujare madu official oibasi yaudadi yadabanina madugi sokhiba singdugi report koi administration site pisan biu haiduna ai amuka hana ningsing jage hayeng tang nipan paubugi manungda report thajan biu kaubigano haibase mai thamjage